Hello my dear friends, I am Gijo Vijayan here. I am a former mechanical engineer with Reliance Petroleum. I worked in Reliance for more than 10 years, and in this video I want to give a direction to mechanical engineers from all over the world and what are the recent developments in the mechanical engineering field. Briefly, many of the mechanical engineers after passing out, they get into different kinds of jobs: production engineering, manufacturing engineering, detail engineering like piping design. Then there is modeling like CAD/CAM, where CATIA, PROE, LS Dyna, Abacus, Hypermesh softwares are used. But recently there is a big field that is coming up for mechanical engineers where there is a great scope, that is called machine learning. A mechanical engineer who know programming means if you know coding in Python and modeling, then there is a very great scope for you in the field of robotics. This world is going to be taken over by robots in the coming next 10 years. So there is a very big opportunity for mechanical engineers. What you need to do is to learn Python programming and learn bit of modeling. If you know these two, you can create robots. In the robots, you need to install software, and that is called machine learning. The machines will obey your commands according to the programs you have written for them, and the machines will do repetitive tasks, and there is very big scope in this particular line. So if you are a mechanical engineer who is wondering what to do in future, I suggest you take up machine learning, artificial intelligence and robotics. If you focus on robotics, the scope is very big. In countries like Japan and South Korea, robotics is very well developed. If you want to go to Japan, learn Japanese language and learn Python programming. It will help you to get into robotics field. Thousands of new companies are emerging in Japan, America, South Korea, all over Middle East and Europe. So the scope is very big. You need to explore the possibilities. What I want to give you is a direction. Learn Python programming today itself and learn machine learning, and if possible try to learn bit of 3D modeling like CATIA, PROE, LS Dyna, Abacus, Hypermesh, Creo, etc. Then your life will be secure, and I think robotics is going to be the future of technology. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I am Gijo Vijayan here.